This is lab assignment 1 from Grunchfield Single, and here we have a search problem I have created. We have 6 nodes going from node 0 to node 5, node 0 being the start node and node 5 being the goal node. We'll try to first run the search options for left first, and we will see that in this one it will go from the leftmost branch because we already know that DFS try to brute force the method from going to start to goal, and it would go from node 1, node 4, and node 5. So auto search. As we can see that it has gone from the nodes I have already talked about, but it has not given the most efficient solution because I have given the path from going from node 0, node 2, and node 5 to be the least costing path, which is only 5 as compared to both other paths which are costing 6. So yes, we are seeing that it is not given the most efficient solution, but we will try now to run the breadth first, and we will see that it will go from the most efficient path, which is going from node 0, node 2, and node 5. And we can see that it tries to find node 1, node 2, and node 3, and then it goes for node 4 and node 5. Yes, it consumes a lot of resources to find the solution, but it has found the best path as compared to the others. So I will try to load the second search problem here. Uh, as we can see that I have created a different such solution in this one, such problem in this one. In this one, I've created a certain thing that is a little more interesting. That is that I've created a path node 0, node 1, and node 6, which is the most efficient solution in this search problem. And we can see that the DFS will still try to force through going from node 1, node 5, and node 6, even though it has already got a better solution in this one. But yeah, it will still try to brute force the answer by going from the leftmost path. As we can see that it has gone from the leftmost one, node 0, node 1, node 5, node 6. It is interesting to see that it is tried to brute force the method. I have seen a similar problem when one of the maze problems in robotics, we will try to follow the rightmost wall. It is trying to find the similar solution by following the rightmost one, because when we follow the right one, we reach the solution automatically. And then I will try to run the breadth first. In this one, we will see that it's trying to find the better solution. It will still grow from like node 1, node 3, node 4, and then node 5 and node 6. It is consuming a lot of resources, but yeah, it finds the better path. Yeah, as we can see that it is find the best path. As I've already mentioned, the node 0, node 1, node 6 is most efficient as compared to all other paths. So it has consumed only 5, and yeah, it has gone from the better one. So I believe that I will try to use the DFS if I do not have, if I do have a like time limit or times like a gap of some sort, like limit, because it is taking a not a lot of time and it gives the solution very quickly. But yeah, it is not the most efficient path in the future. But I will try to use the BFS if I do not have any time limit or resource limit, because it consumes a lot of resource and a lot of time limit, but it finds the best solution, and which will be more appropriate for the future problem solving. So yes, this was the difference between the two of them, and I found the BFS one to be better because I believe that efficient solutions are better for the future. So that is all for my assignment. Thank you.